Hey y'all, alright, so we're going to be making a crazy hair growth spray in this video. I've been making some herbal homemade DIY hair growth sprays for quite some time now, so I definitely want to put you guys on how I am growing my hair and also retaining my length using herbs and other natural hair products. So if you guys are ready, let's make this spray. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to first add my mixing bowl to the table, and each ingredient will be getting 1 teaspoon to make it fair. Now we're first starting off with Fenugreek Seeds, which boosts blood circulation, reduces dandruff and hair thinning. Next up is sea moss, which contains 92 minerals that's vital for the body and hair. We'll also be using Nettle Leaves, which is rich in sulfur and silica. And slippery elm is rich in calcium, which is vital for strong hair. The amino acids in slippery elm encourage blood circulation to the scalp. Basil leaves help prevent hair loss, and of course Moringa seeds also boost hair growth. And cloves contain fibers that help nourish the hair follicle. I have some leftover hibiscus, so I'm going to add that in, and that's actually a flower. And next up, we're going to go ahead and prep our aloe vera. Now aloe vera contains active minerals that help strengthen the hair. It also fights against itchy scalp and promotes hair growth as well. So I'm just breaking down my aloe vera by first chopping off the pointy ends, and now we're going to break it off and not use that white part at the end. I think that's poisonous, and we're going to split it open in the middle so we can get to the good stuff, which is all the goo. Now that everything is prepped, let's go ahead and get started with cooking our ingredients. I'm just adding water to a pan here, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir in all of my herbs together and add that into the mixture. And peeped how I did turn off the heat before I added anything in. I don't want to cook the ingredients, I just want them to steep in boiling water. This mixture is going to sit on the stove for about 5 hours or so, just letting all the ingredients intertwine with each other and letting that aloe vera really seep out of the plant itself. So this is how it looks about after 5 hours, but you can really let it sit up to 24 hours, but we got to get this show on the road. So this is how it's looking. Look at that aloe vera, it's all like in there, and we're ready to go ahead and strain it. So I just have a mason jar and a strainer. I was so scared, y'all, but I think I did pretty good. I didn't spill too much, and it is full. The mason jar is completely full. Now we're going to go ahead and filter it out into our spray bottles. The first one is a continuous spray bottle, and the second one is just a regular squirts bottle, I guess you want to call it. But that is exactly how you make my crazy herbal hair growth spray. Alright, so you guys just watched how I like to make my homemade DIY crazy hair growth spray, and we're actually going to use it in this video as well, and I'm going to be refreshing my scalp. So I did put my herbal spray in 2 different bottles. I have one in like a squirts bottle, and the other one is in a continuous spray bottle, and I actually did that for a reason. This one is primarily going to be used for my hair, so when I do hairstyles like a wash and go, I would apply this to my hair. However, because I have a rod set in, these are perm rods, I don't want to put any water or any water-based products on my actual curls. That's why I put it in the squirts bottle, so we can directly target our scalp. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. We're going to be using this one to target our scalp and put this one to the side. And I also want to show you guys how much I have left as well. So here's how much I have left, a little bit less than half. And we're going to put that over to the side. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I like to use the squirt bottle. I guess you can say the squirts bottle. I don't want to say spray bottle. It is a spray bottle though. Let me show you how to use the damn bottle. I be in my head too much. My bad, friend. I'm going to break my hair down in half. So we are focusing on 1/2 at a side. I'm just going to pop this up and out the way. Go in with this side. I'm just going to go ahead and take some hair in the back down, just right there in my scalp. I can feel it, and I'm going to start to squirt directly on my scalp, not too much, and rubbing that in. Oh, it feels so good. Don't mind me, friend. So the reason that I am targeting my scalp again is because I have a perm rod set in, and if I put water or any water-based products on the curls, they'll just start to revert and get frizzy. So that's why I'm only targeting my scalp for this particular video and hairstyle. For my curls, I really don't do anything. I will be uploading a video on how I took care of my curls for the week. I really have been trying to stay away from oils and I guess serums. I don't know, they've just been like clogging my pores lately and drying out my hair, I realized. I went to a curly hair stylist and she kind of told me as well to stop using the oils and the oil-based products. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I asked her, I was like, okay, well, what happens when my scalp gets itchy? When my scalp gets itchy, I usually just oil it. I think that that's what it needs. And she's like, when your scalp gets itchy, you need to go ahead and wash it. It's like, but what if it's like day 2? And I'm washing their hair on day 2. So like, you know what I'm saying? So, and yeah, sometimes my scalp does get itchy on day 2 because I was using so much oil that was clogging my pores and my hair couldn't breathe and you know, all that jazz. So I'm just going straight on down the line, getting all of this into my scalp. It feels really, really good. It's not taking long at all. I'm massaging and working that product in. So yeah, so that's why I am kind of done with the oils for right now until I do a little bit more research. And I know there was like a big debate on this probably like last year, I want to say, about using oils and butters and why people should or shouldn't. So if it works for you, it works for you. I'm not going to try to put what works for me onto somebody. I'm only going to tell you what I'm doing and what's working for me. If you want to watch it, great. If you want to try to use what I'm recommending, great. And if something else works for you, that's also great. We're all here to share our ideas, and that's how we build as a community. So there's not one thing that somebody does is better than another. Just different things work for different people. And I wish, you know, people online would understand that instead of trying to like always throw what is working for them onto somebody else, instead of just saying, hey, this works for me. If you guys want to try it out, great. If not, great. That's all it is. I don't know. Maybe I'm old school. Girl, take me back to MySpace, honey. Giving away my age here. I was a kid when MySpace came out, by the way. Alright, so that's how we're looking. It still looks the same because we did not spray our hair. We only sprayed our scalp, and it feels very refreshing. I just want to like keep doing it, but I'm not. It feels really, really good. So hopefully this also might take away a little bit of the itchiness as well, just like rehydrating my scalp, because I did see dandruff in the front and my scalp has just always been so dry lately, so that's probably why. Yeah, so I'm gonna do away with the oils and when I say oils, I will still use hair products that have like oils in them and stuff, but I'm talking about like raw oil. Like I'm not just gonna take coconut oil and put it on my hair and on my scalp. I'm not doing that no more. Nope, I'm not using any raw oils or any raw butters on my hair and on my scalp. Every time I use raw butters on my hair doesn't even respond and react good. Like, I don't know, like, and I'm talking about like raw shea butter or raw cocoon butter or cocoa butter. If I just take the raw butter and put it on my hair does not respond or react well. It's just very weighed down, and I don't know. Me no likey. All right, let me go ahead and do the other side really quickly. Same exact thing, just breaking it down and putting some sprays on there. Alright y'all, so both sides have now been fully coated in this crazy herbal hair growth spray, as we'll call it. Everything is going to be stored in the refrigerator, and I really should label it on when I first made it or when it expires, but it's going to sit in my fridge for up to 2 weeks. Hopefully I use it all before that time happens, but if not, it's okay. We'll just trash it and make some more, friend. Ain't no biggie. And what's cool about this herbal hair growth spray is you can really use it on any hairstyle as well. I'm actually going to be washing my hair tomorrow and doing something else, and you can also use the herbal hair growth spray before you get into the shower as like a pre-poo. You can use it as a tea rinse. You can use this as a refresher. You can use it at night when you need to as well. Midweek, throughout the week, you can use this as you're styling your hair. There are so many different ways that you can use this product that I just made, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will also link some of my other videos that I've done with my homemade DIY hair growth products below in the description, so you guys can check that out as well. And that's just about it, y'all. My hair is feeling fabulous. We are at the end of the road here. Yeah, it's been probably like a week since I've had this hairstyle, and it looks so good. a little frizzy, but you guys can see I am fully refreshed. My scalp feels really good, but we are going to go ahead and give her a nice wash tomorrow and do another hairstyle. Of course, I'll be recording it for you guys also so you can see this ghetto fabulous magic that's happening over here. And if you guys are into heatless hairstyles, if you're into perm rods, flexi rods, and interested in learning about other rods that you can use to create heatless curls, then please give me a follow. That is all I do on my channel, is create heatless hairstyles for you guys and to show you that you don't need to use heat to create beautiful curly hair just like this. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please make sure you're following me. I give you step-by-step tutorials on how you can get phenomenal curls. So what are you waiting for, girl? Smash that subscribe button. Alright y'all, I am out of here, and make sure you guys check out the next videos to follow. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.